In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with ClickUp. We'll walk through a quick, reliable way to surface archived items directly from your inbox by using the list view and a simple filter. If you've ever wondered why something disappeared, or you just need to review old work, this is a clean workflow to bring those items back into view without changing their status. Start by opening your inbox inside ClickUp. The inbox is your personal hub, bringing together updates, reminders, and tasks that need your attention. It's a great place to work when you want a focused view of what's relevant to you. Make sure you're looking at the primary tab so you're seeing the main feed, and give the page a second to load fully before continuing. Next, switch the inbox to a list layout by clicking on List. This changes the presentation from a stream of updates to a structured table with rows and columns. In List View, you can quickly scan titles, assignees, statuses, due dates, and more, which makes filtering and sorting much more powerful. If you don't immediately see List, look near the top of the page for the View selector. It's usually right next to the search and sorting tools. Now open the Filter menu. You'll typically find the Filter button or funnel icon along the top bar of the List view. Filters are your best friend when you want to refine what you see without moving to another page. They don't change any tasks. They simply control your current lens. Once the filter panel opens, you can review the available options and make sure you're filtering only what you intend to see. Within the filter options, click on Archived. By default, archived tasks are hidden from most views to keep your workspace tidy. Selecting Archived tells ClickUp to include those items in the results. Remember, archived doesn't mean deleted. These tasks are preserved for record keeping and reporting, and they won't clutter your active boards unless you explicitly include them with this filter. After you enable Archived, give the list a moment to refresh, and you should see items that were previously out of sight appear in your table. If nothing shows up, double-check you're in the right place in your workspace and that no other filters are excluding results. You can always clear the filter later to return to your normal view. That's all there is to it. Go to Inbox, switch to List, open Filter, and include Archived to review those hidden items whenever you need them.